All right, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series SE. And I know my reaction is a lot of reasons why people watch my unboxing videos, but unfortunately, I don't want to, fake my unboxing experience. I've pretty much unboxed this before. This is pretty much just the Apple Watch Series 5, but stripped down a little bit. I am daily driving the Fitbit Sense, and my review will come out shortly, but primarily for this video, I'm just going to show you guys the top-down portion of the unboxing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Maybe I will show my smelling reaction at the least, but the packaging is the same. It's definitely more slim, so I'm expecting to see the Apple Watches all over on the inside. Yep, just like Series 5. So here we go. In the box, we get two smaller boxes. We have an extra band, which I don't need, but for you guys, I will show you what is inside. And then up here, we have the actual watch itself. And I'm assuming the charger is in there as well. So inside the band, we get some instructions on how to attach it. I'm going to be using the smaller one. I thought I got the solo loop, but I guess not. It kind of sucks. And now it's time for the device itself. So, designed by Apple in California, as always. So now it seems that we are using a type of recycled paper to cover the Apple Watch SE. I do have the Apple Watch Series 6 coming in, so I'm curious to see if it's going to be wrapped in a cloth. So this is the device right here. So to get a closer look for you guys, this is pretty much what you're going to be getting inside the Apple Watch SE. So we have our speakers on this side, and then we have our digital crown and button that we can press on this side. The sensor is also on the back. So yeah, as you can see, we have SE written on the back of the device, and it's a 44 millimeter, so pretty big. It's already getting itself powered on. So what else is inside this packaging is just some more instructions on charging your device and attaching the bands. And one thing I want you guys to also notice is that they don't give you a power adapter anymore. They just give you the charger itself. Now there's a lot of controversy behind this, but their motive is for environmental purposes. For me personally, I have a lot of outlets that already have a USB port inside of them. So I understand why, or I can see in some countries that they don't need to be shipping them out. But I think it's just something we're gonna have to get used to in terms of getting Apple products, and we'll see if other companies start to follow it as well. So we still have the standard watch charger, as you can see, and all you have to do is plop it down on here and it'll start charging. So now it's time for the smell test. Apple, your products smell like nothing every time. It smells like Play-Doh. This smells bad. It smells like Play-Doh. All right, let's go ahead and get this attached. To attach the Apple Watch, all you can do is slide it in. And starting off with the other side. So now that the device is powered on, once you bring your iPhone nearby, this is really bright, but once you bring your iPhone nearby, it will tell you to set up the Apple Watch nearby. So we're gonna go ahead and click continue. So now we have a different prompt. Usually it will directly start to set up your device, but now with the family setup, you can set up for a family member or yourself. But for me, I'm just going to set up this watch for myself. So some of the big differences from the Apple Watch SE versus the 6 is that you're not going to be able to get the ECG app as well as track your blood oxygen level as well. You're also not going to be getting an always on display, but for me personally, I'd much rather have a longer battery life than having a display that's always on, but I know having an always on display is a deal breaker for some people. In terms of the finish of the device, you're not going to be able to get stainless steel or titanium. That's something you're gonna have to get with the Apple Watch Series 5 or even the Apple Watch Series 6. But I would honestly say that if you aren't a person who's that health conscious and you want a fitness band that pretty much goes with the Apple ecosystem, then the Apple Watch SE is probably going to be your best option. Unless you absolutely need that blood oxygen level tracking as well as the ECG, I don't really see a purpose of spending that extra money in order to get the Apple Watch Series 6. For me personally, I'm probably going to stick with the Apple Watch SE if I do decide to keep this device. Although if you guys want me to review the Apple Watch Series 3 as well, because that is a cheaper alternative than this, please let me know down in the comments below. But I would say from looks already that I already prefer the Fitbit Sense in terms of the stainless steel that you get. All right, so my watch is essentially set up now, and I forgot the watch face that this is. I believe this is the Chronograph Pro, if I'm not mistaken. But this is the new watch face that was introduced in watchOS 7 and with the new watches as well. So I do think that this is one of the best looking ones that, come on, Apple has to offer. I forgot how to get back. I think it's this button. Yep, there you go. So this is Chronograph Pro. You guys can choose your own watch face, but I think in terms of software, Apple has definitely nailed this in the smartwatch category, at least compared to Fitbit in my opinion. But I'm gonna save that for my comparison video. But like I said, this is pretty much just the Apple Watch Series 5 at a cheaper price. It's pretty much the replacement of it. So there's not much more I can say about this device. I do think that in terms of aesthetics, it looks pretty good. The bands by Apple are always really good, but pretty sure you can get them cheaper on Amazon from third-party sellers. Really wish I got the Solo Loop, but that's pretty much my unboxing of the Apple Watch Series SE. Like I said, I know you guys were expecting my reaction, but you guys can see my reaction from the Apple Watch Series 5 that I unboxed a while ago. But hopefully when the Apple Watch Series 6 comes out or comes in possession, that I'll be able to do a full unboxing of that. But hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and as always guys, much love.